You know, it's one thing restoring or rebuilding a machine, but when you're sat on AutoCAD designing and printing parts and doing something that nobody locally has done before, it certainly makes you reflect on what these early motorcycle pioneers would have had to do when nothing previously existed. And crikey, I don't want to take away their thunder, but this BSA Bantam that is by any description heavily modified is slowly coming together, but they probably had the benefit of making the part once and putting it in production, but you know, removing the BSA gearbox and designing and printing a cap that would fit without touching any of the old mechanics is one example. The other one is the 3D printed bracket there that you can see for the one of the panniers. There's only one attached at the moment. And taking the old BSA C15T Speedwell OEM mudguard and realizing that with the extra width with the knobbly tyre that you can see, can fit and work well on a Bantam D1. And you know, I'm not an engineer, I'm an enterprise IT guy, and this is certainly a skill that is way beyond anything I've been trained to do. But she's nearing completion. That's the back end that you can see. This is a temporary nut and bolt. It'll be replaced with a black number plate bolt. It's just to stop it flapping. I hadn't given much thought to why we have polyurethane flexible rear shields on off-road green lane machines, and somebody recently recited a story about somebody who took a road-going bike onto a green lane with the solid, I think they're polyurethane, you know, yellow and black rear mudguards, and the bike went from under him, and basically his inner thigh, is it the ephemeral artery, was severed, and the guy died and bled out because the mudguard had actually cut the vein that runs up the inner thigh leg. So I'm using the correct font, which is Charles Wright, W-R-I-G-H-T, and I've got the minimum size lettering that I need to comply with legislation here in the UK. There are still some bits that need changing out, but yeah, this concludes my quick update for the 1951 BSA Green Lane Special. Thanks for watching.